All right, so we're going to go and solve another problem, our second problem, with variables on both sides. Now, the first problem we had did not have anything to simplify that first step. Our steps are located above on this website. Make sure you review those. If you get stuck on a problem, go back to those steps. See what do you need to do. Is it completed? Can I go to the next step? So here we do have to simplify both sides of the equation. So I'm going to go ahead and put a dotted line down to show you. When we're simplifying that first step, we're not moving anything. That happens in step 2 and step 3. So this first step on the left-hand side of the equation, we need to see, do we have any like terms? Do we have a variable term raised to the same power? Do we have a constant term? Do we have anything that we can combine or anything we can distribute? And on the left-hand side, we have negative 8x and minus 2x. Those are like terms. So negative 8x minus 2x is negative 10x. Make sure you understand that the operation in front of each term is connected to that term. This 2 is plus 2. This 2x is negative 2x when we're combining like terms. So we have negative 10x plus 2 equals. So we simplified the left-hand side. We need to simplify the right-hand side by distributing. We're distributing negative 2 to both 6x and 1. So negative 2 times 6x is negative 12x. Negative 2 times 1 is minus 2, or plus negative 2. So we completed step 1. We simplified both sides of the equation. Now we need to get all of our variable terms to one side. Now we can either add 10x to both sides or add 12x to both sides. I like to add 12x in this situation. That way my coefficient for my variable term is positive. When I do that, negative 10x plus 12x is 2x. Plus 2x equals, on the right-hand side, my 12x's subtract out. I'm left with just negative 2. Remember that negative 2 stays. The minus 2 becomes negative 2. Now we have 2x plus 2 equals negative 2. We need to get our constants to the other side. So my variable terms are to the right side, and you get my constants to the, my variable term is to the left side, and you get my constants to the right. So I'm going to subtract 2 on both sides. I end up with 2x equals negative 4. Then my last step here would be to divide by 2 to find out what x is. I get x is equal to negative 2. So my solution here, I think, is x is equal to negative 2. Now we need to check. So we do need to check our solution, and I'm going to do that off to the side. When we check our solution, we're going to substitute in what we think our answer is, which is negative 2, into the equation. So I get negative 8 times negative 2 plus 2 minus 2 times negative 2 equals negative 2 times 6 times negative 2 plus 1. This is a long one, okay? Kind of jamming that in. Let me try to get rid of the glare here. Sorry about that. So I'm going to go ahead and solve. I'm going to simplify each side of the equation individually. Negative 8 times negative 2 is positive 16. Plus 2 minus 2 times negative 2 is negative 4. Equals negative 12 plus 1. I keep simplifying here. I get 18 plus 4 equals negative 2 times negative 11. 18 plus 4 is 22, and negative 2 times negative 11 is also 22. So it does check out. Our solution is x is equal to negative 2. Have a good day.